I almost missed the email and meron silang deadline kung hanggang kailan mo lang pwedeng isubmit yung additional requirements. Hi guys, right here on this video, I'm going to talk about how I applied for a New Zealand tourist visa. First things first, make sure na you gather all your requirements. These include yung identification documents nyo, which is yung passport, valid government ID, birth certificate, your visa photo. Make sure that your head and shoulders are against a plain background. The photo should accurately depict the physical appearance of the applicant. Travel documents, so include here yung previous visas, scanned passport showing all your stamps and previous travels, yung mga previous visas nyo from different countries. Having an Australian visa is a plus. Since the plan is to go to Australia and New Zealand, hinintay ko munang ma-approve yung Australian visa ko before ako nag-apply ng New Zealand visa. Because this makes your application stronger. Include din dito yung itinerary, booking details like hotel bookings or flight details if meron na kayo. These are optional, but again, it makes your application stronger. A tip is you could book through the different platforms in advance, pero make sure na free cancellation para lang at least meron kayong mapakita sa immigration na booked hotels or accommodation. Include also a cover letter stating why you want to visit the country, ano yung purpose nyo, and that you plan to come back to the Philippines and not break any laws, rules, or regulations from their country. Finance and property documents. So make sure na i-provide nyo yung requirements that prove na meron kayong pang-finance doon sa trip nyo and that you have a purpose to come back to the Philippines. Some samples are your latest bank statement covering 3 to 6 months, showing proof that you're able to finance your stay in the country. A bank certificate, which you can request from the bank. Check out my reels kasi nag-upload ako doon kung paano mag-request ng bank certificate and bank statement from your banks. Payslips, ITR, business permit, SEC or DTI, time deposit certificate or certificate of insurance, stock portfolio if you own stocks here in the Philippines, properties like ORCR for cars, mga proof of ownership if you have condos, lots, or houses, family ties, anything that would prove na babalik kayo dito sa Philippines. Make sure that if magsasubmit kayo, hindi nakalock yung mga documents nyo. I submitted my application on July 11 and then after 3 days, nag-email sila saying that meron akong document na na-upload na may password. Although yung password is nilagay ko na sa file name, hindi nila na-credit and they were requesting me to submit a replacement document or i-resend yung document without the password. Minor lang naman siya, it was a certificate of insurance. Instead, I replaced it with another certificate of insurance. By the way, make sure na i-check nyo yung emails nyo because I almost missed the email and meron silang deadline kung hanggang kailan mo lang pwedeng submit yung additional requirements. So, I was able to submit it and then I received the acknowledgement email na natanggap nila yung response ko. So, make sure na matanggap nyo din yon. And then, August 20, doon ko nakuha yung approval nila. So, I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process kung paano ako nag-apply and kung ano yung inclusions ng visa na binigay nila sa akin.
Go to their website, immigration.gov.nz, and then click New Zealand Visas. Tapos, explore and select a visa. Just answer the following questions. I would like to explore and select a New Zealand visa to, on this case, dito tayo sa visit or extend my visit. Dahil we're just going for a vacation sa New Zealand. I am traveling on a passport from the Philippines. I am planning to stay less than 3 months. And the main purpose of my visit is a holiday. Click display options. I wasn't sure what to pick, kung New Zealand Electronic Travel Authority ba or yung visitor visa. So let's compare both of them. And according sa reference nila, dito tayo sa visitor visa. So click natin tong view details and apply. Length of stay could be up to either 6 or 9 months. cost is 211 New Zealand dollars, and for the processing time, 80% is within 2 weeks. Click apply online. Kailangan natin mag-log in, but since it's our first time, mag-create tayo ng Realme login. Just input the details and click continue. Kung meron kayong Australian or New Zealand mobile number, fill upan nyo to. But if not, dito tayo sa alternative contact number. So let's pick Philippines and input nila yung number. Fill up the security questions and then click create. Now, once we've created an account, punta tayo sa My Visas and then apply for a visa. And make sure na na-prepare nyo yung mga requirements. Although, if meron kayong nakalimutan, pwede nyo i-save yung application nyo and balikan later on. So, temporary visa tayo. And we're currently outside New Zealand and we want to apply for a visitor visa. Okay, just answer the next questions. And then click Start My Application. So click Continue. And then just answer the questions. Make sure that kung ano man yung exact name na nasa passport nyo and exact details na nasa passport mo, yun yung ilalagay nyo dito. Okay, just continue to answer everything. Dito sa national identity details, it could be your national ID or your passport. So, ang nilagay ko dito is yung national ID number ko. Fill up your financial support details about your stay in New Zealand. So, character details, health details, employment history. Just be honest on everything you place here para wala kayong magiging problema. Upload all your documents, yung mga na-mention ko earlier. The more, the better. So, your documents need to be in PDF format. Kung may kulang kayo, click Save and Exit. If not, click Save and Continue. Review everything. Make sure na tama lahat. If may mali or kulang, pwede kayong bumalik and i-edit yung answers nyo. Once everything's confirmed, click Ready for Submission. And then, click Pay and Submit Application. Here, you'll see the breakdown. So, as of right now, waived yung application fee and immigration levy, which is $190 and $21. Ang babayaran lang natin is yung international visitor levy. We'll be paying using credit card or debit card. Input nyo lang yung details nyo and then click Pay. And there you go. Successful yung pag-apply natin. We can track our application by logging in on our account. I received the approval notification via email, and in order to view the visa, kailangan natin mag-login. Now, go to My Visas. So, dito sa Submitted Applications, makikita nyo, approved na yung status. So, ganito din yung process kung paano nyo titignan yung status ng application nyo kung hindi pa approved. Just click View Application Progress, and makikita niyo yung details dito. So, balik tayo. If you go down here, Issued Visas, dito niyo makikita yung visa niyo. Click nyo lang itong Download e-Visa.
So, I got approved of the New Zealand visitor visa. And I'm allowed multiple entries to the country for 1 year with a maximum of 2 months stay. Yan, so it was as simple as that. The whole application process was done online. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something on this video. Kung may tanong kayo, just comment down below. If you want to know how I applied for an Australian visa, check these videos. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!